Why don't you narrate a little bit what you're doing here?
And basically I just trimming stone. So basically if I want to trim this up to be square and rectangular with that rock, I'm going to just take that line there. I start to the edge of where I want to trim.
Wow.
If I want to just try to even that a little bit out.
That's pretty darn good.
Now let's say I want to trim up to like a corner area or something. Had some failure, but I can still salvage the rock. So it beats the heck out of saw cutting or bending.
Nice. Pretty much square and rec. It's a great demonstration by
Montana Rockworks.
Bill Carter, Montana Rockworks.
Yep.
That's
So,
awesome.
It's